Students, welcome to my YouTube channel EasyNeat. Today we are going to discuss the topic how to find bond order of benzene, ozone and CO3 2-. This is from the chapter Chemical Bonding plus 1. So to find bond order there is an equation, that is total number of bonds between two atoms in all structures whole divided by number of resonance structure. Once again, the bond order is equal to total number of bonds between two atoms in all structures divided by number of resonance structure. First we have to check the bond order of benzene. So the resonating structures of benzene are this. These two resonating structures are for benzene. I have drawn two resonating structures of benzene here. Now let's check the bond order. So bond order is equal to total number of bonds between two atoms in all structures. Total number of bonds between two atoms. Now let's consider these two atoms. Here the number of bonds is 2. Look, 2 bonds in between these two atoms, 2. So 2 plus, when we come in this structure, there is only one bond in between these atoms, only one bond. Here there was 2 bond, here only one bond is there. So 2 plus 1 divided by the total number of resonance structure. Number of resonance structure are 2. So 2 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So the bond order of benzene is 1.5. 2 bonds here, and in between these two atoms there is only one bond. So 2 plus 1 divided by the total number of resonance structures, 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5. Now we can check the bond order of ozone. These are the resonating structures of ozone. Now look, these two atoms. Here there is 2 bond between these two atoms. When coming to this structure, there is only one bond between these two atoms. So 2 plus 1. So bond order is equal to 2 plus 1 divided by total number of resonance structure is equal to 2, which is equal to 3 by 2, 1.5. Here also the bond order is 1.5. Once again, total number of bond between these two atoms is 2. When we come to this structure, 1. So 2 plus 1 divided by total number of resonance structure, that is 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5. These are the resonance structure of CO3 2-. CO3 2-. 3 resonance structures are for CO3 2-. Look, the bonds are changing. Now when we can consider these two atoms, there are 2 bonds between these two atoms. So 2 plus here 1. So the bond order is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1 divided by total number of resonance structure, which is 3. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, which is equal to 4 by 3, which is equal to 1.33. 1.33 is the bond order of CO3 2-. Once again we can look at 2 atoms. Number of bonds is 2. Here 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. 1.33 is the bond order. When we take the bond order, we have to always take the 2 same atoms. If we take here these 2 atoms, in this structure also we have to take these 2 atoms. Here also we have to take these 2 atoms. We should not change the 2 atoms. So here if we take C and O, here also we have to take this 2 atoms. Okay, then only we get the correct answer. I hope you all liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.